Communication trainer. Today also I would like to inform you important one point: communication matter and technique. Presentation from Fumiotaga no Human Power University. Okay, today I would like to inform you important matter. Okay. To say about HOOVER Report, okay, these 10 times I have been talking on the Nishi Toshio professor, who is a professor in United States, Stanford University Institute of Hoover. He talked on the real history of this country, Japan, mainly after Meiji Restoration, and concisely about the history of after World War II. These 80 years, what was the reality of this country, Japan's politics? Okay. HOOVER Report by Nishi Toshio sensei is very instructive, very nice teaching for us to study modern Japanese history. Why Japan has been included in the Asia Pacific, and why Japan made Manchuria your country, and what was the battle with America in the World War II and Pacific Oceans. Why Japan has been started by attacking in the Pearl Harbor. Pearl Harbor was seriously bad attack made by Japan. Why such a matter has been occurred? Nishi Toshio sensei concisely explained to us by use of HOOVER Report. So I strongly recommend you to study by HOOVER Report, because his speech, his explanation was seriously instructive and very understandable for us, because instead of Nishi Toshio sensei, there are not a suitable textbook for us to study the modern history. Okay? And I was realized by the study of the HOOVER Report of Nishi Toshio-san. He stayed in America around 50 years, and to see this country, Japan, as a lover of Japan, and he talked the reality of Japanese history. Okay, I will explain to you in my book by use of a trope or some poster. Why Japan has been taken such a style of history as a government, and how we Japan survive by competing to America or other countries, and now how we'll cope with the neighboring country, or China, or Russia, and Korea, and North Korea. In order to aiming to have such objectives, we should Japanese citizens study the reality of modern history by understanding how we should aiming to the future. what direction is better for us to keep such a peaceful country and to cope with other country, Asia Pacific country, or aiming countries like China or Russia or North Korea. Yeah. Why such a three countries aiming to Japan and to criticizing to Japan? Korea, North Korea, of course, and Russia and China. Yeah, Japan has definitely the cause to be criticized in order to realize why neighboring country, China, Korea, even criticizing this country, Japan, in order to see the concisely what is the reason such a country is claiming to this country. When we study by the Hoover Report, what has been, what did this country, Japan, to the neighbor country, Korea or China, of course, and Russia, or, we should realize, we should start genuine understanding the history of this country. What kind of activity did this country, Japan, by realizing concisely and rightly, we can think, we can have a future strategy, future planning as a nice country. Okay. Finally, please taking a look at my today's explanation by taking a look at my poster attached in my back. You can make a realization, understanding. And finally, I would like to explain to you, in this time, this country, from China, so many people, coming. And getting in a very important area to grasping. For example, Hokkaido, very scenic beauty and very nice mountainous area and sightseeing area. The key part has been grasped by China. I say, it is not Nishi Toshio-san speaking. Through my experience, I realized, in this time, why so many people came to Japan to getting the nationality of Japanese. Because Japan is a very fascinating country. In this time, China is very serious condition by the tyranny of Xi Jinping-san. Xi Jinping-san's strategy is very bad, but so that many high-level elite people threw away their own country, China, and came to Japan to be gate of the nationality of Japan, because if they will study, they will stay in this country as a businessman. 1 year, if they will successfully stay in this country, they can get the nationality of Japan. Please taking a look at in the Tokyo University. You say, 20% of graduate students, 20% of graduate station, graduate student of Tokyo University, top university of Japan. Tokyo University is the number of graduate students, 20% is Chinese. Oh my God! Person who can accept it in the Tokyo University is very elite person. But from the China, so many elite, so many high level brain person coming to Japan to enter Tokyo University or such an elite university in order to get Japanese nationality after graduation, and they will become a nice businessman in this country. Yeah, it is good aspect. Some person are strongly claiming, we Japan should reject to coming such a Chinese people into this country. But elite people coming to this country and they are doing the very nice business. I have been many friends. They are owner of Chinese restaurant, owner of some business. Very elite people. If coming a very anti-elite, very boresome, low-level people coming to Japan, it's a miserable, but Chinese elite people, they can enter in the Tokyo University or Kyoto or Hitotsubashi University. Such young people came to Japan to getting jobs in this country, and after 1 year's success in the business, they will become getting the nationality of Japan. It is hope for us. Japan will become a very strong country by getting so many elite Chinese people. Why Chinese people came to Japan? Because, tyranny, Xi Jinping's bad politics, even graduate from university, for example, top level university, Peking University, Beijing University, or Seika University, they cannot get on a job. Around 10 or 20 people cannot get on a job after graduation of such elite university, Seika University or Beijing University, so that they came to Japan to enter such elite university, and after to getting a nice business in this country, they having a so nice activity in this country. It is welcome. In order to getting the welfare of this country, to getting the Chinese people. It's my opinion. It is very nice phenomena. In order to become a rich country, this country, we should accept Chinese people, such as elite people. But low-level people, gangster level people should be strongly rejected, by making a law. That is very, recommendable strategy of Japan. Thank you.